and welcome to our YouTube channel. On this one we are going to talk about the differences between stage versus social dancing.
In this second episode of the series, if you didn't check the first one out, go now and check that one out. So we are going to be talking about colgadas, how we can do colgadas in the social dancing at the milongas, and also how we can expand the colgadas to do it in a stage or in an exhibition that you can do. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell for notification, and leave any comment if you have any.
We try to answer to your comments all we can, and thank you for watching us. See you on the dance floor.
And now, welcome to the dance floor. We are going to start, as we mentioned before, we are going to start checking out the colgadas. And first of all, we are going to do the social dancing version. And then we are going to proceed to transform this colgada for a stage or performance style. Let us show you first this. We are going to do this.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
So this will be the shorter version. What we've done here, leaders, we are lifting her during the rotation, not letting her go out with the leg, and that happened from our leg, how we are raising the level. So we'll show you now in a little slower motion. Side step, I'm rotating, doing a backward ocho, rotating, following her leg, I'm stepping in a way that she still have a space for her to pass her leg. I'm lifting, and now I was on this side, so I will not lower. I will try to keep up, and I will pull from my right shoulder blade as I'm stepping around with my left. So from here I will pull even a little extra up so we can walk back and front together. That will prevent her from doing a very, very long colgada on the back.
For followers, I'm feeling the lead for the ocho. On the second ocho, he will send our left leg back. So I let him walk hanging and not moving my leg. So if you notice, I'm keeping the left leg behind. And from here later, I can hang the leg a little extra and rotate. And then when he lifts, we go to the feet together. So this is how we create the social dancing colgada. One more time, let me show you this. Side step, ocho, second ocho. I feel the lead for colgada. So here he's sending me, so I know this is colgada. So I'm hanging the left, but not too much, not too large. And I keep the leg in position, hanging but not moving. Now, when he's around sending the circle, now I'm hanging and moving the left, and then finish the step, in this case, front and back. So the little secret that I'm giving here is when you are in the social dancing and you feel the lead for the colgada, don't go right away with your leg to the back. Just keep hanging, wait for him, and then you have this option to do almost like a little cross, and from there send the leg around. So it's not in a straight line, but it's more circular. So that will prevent you to kick other people around.
And another tip for the leader when we are doing this kind of colgadas is that I'm embracing her and my forearm is lifting her. Not only from my rib cage, that the power comes from the legs, as I was explaining before. Also, my forearm embraces, if you can see it from the back. Look, I will rotate. Look, right here. Can you see my arm is in front of her? If I will do a big colgada, I will slide my hand to this side. But in this case, I'm keeping her all the way around. So we can rotate and walk out for any other figure.
Wait, just a little break to let you know about our new tango school online.
It is called Online Tango Training, and you can find all the details at miriamleonardotango.com.
A bunch of videos with different topics and a lot of steps. We really recommend it.
So now let's get back to the second part of this class. All right, now we are going to show you the second version, which is more for performances or stage. Let us show you how it will look. We are doing this.
1 pa pa pam pa pa pam. 1 ta 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 1 and 2.
So that is the version for performance, yes? So what are we doing here? We are, first of all, releasing a little bit the embrace and creating a lifting first to lower the position later. So let us rotate the position so you can see this. 1, 8. At this moment, I'm already holding, I'm not re-embracing all the way, half of the way only, in a way that I can send her from my right side and my rib cage. So look, 1, 2, 1, 2. My hand is on her shoulder blade, yes, and my left is not moving towards her. I'm sending her, pulling, and now I can walk around. Now, at the moment, I will bring her up and walking back and front for another figure.
So for the followers, in this case, let's do it again. I'm extending more the leg after the 8 when I feel the leg here. So I can lower a little bit the front leg and then I create a bigger version of the colgada. When he moves around, I keep it. If he does 1 or more turns, I keep that position until he finishes and then he will lift. So I go to the feet together. Let's try this with a little more rotation so you see the stage version faster and with more spinning. So if you notice, we can do this at the milonga, okay? This is not a good step for the milonga, unless it's like really late.
Yes.
Nobody's on the dance floor and you can get almost like a practica time, like practice time. But if it's crowded, please don't do this figure in a stage version if you are in social dancing in the middle of the milonga.
So also you can have, if there is a practica or a tango nuevo milonga, alternative milonga, and there is not many people, you can try these kind of things, but not at the traditional social dancing.
Yeah, for that, we show you first the social dancing version. We did it last time on volcadas, now colgadas, and we have a couple of steps that we can transform from social dancing to stage, from stage to social dancing, so you know the difference, because it's very normal. We have a lot of students, yes. They went to see a show, or they saw a tango movie, and they are using those steps from the stage, from the show, from the movie, into the dance floor. So it's our mission to teach you and to show you the big difference. We are performers, we are doing movies and stage shows, and we know what to do in each case. When we are in social dancing, even though we are performers, we are not using the big figures. We transform the figure into the social dancing. So we will love to give that information to you, so you are not kicking people around you, and the owner of the milonga is not getting mad at you because you are doing all these steps in a stage version in the middle of the milonga.
Both versions are correct. You just have to know when to do it.
So now with this information, we are going to show you the figure in correct position for stage and social dancing in slow motion.
All right. Thank you for being here with us all the way. If you are still here on the video, you rock. So
Thank you for dancing with us and keep practicing. See you on the next video.
take care.